Pleasures produced by R. Evan, the God, the GOAT. Household of the building, we ain't stopping, man. Woo, woo, woo. Hey, freestyles on park benches. Not once in a cipher took an L in a circle. What's that? Well, that's the car Lexus. I get respect from both nerds and gangsters. Hard flexes, bars pressing, y'all. It ain't a lecture, this a art lesson. Scars rep them on my face with pride. They tell a story of some things that made me wise. The team been the same, wasn't raised to change no sides. It's sanctified, never swayed away from my clicking team. I never let no blicky squeeze. I was selling the fifth letter though. The kid was pitching ease. Picture me cutting Kino flaps and sticking snow in it. Cold winters flow way too cold that it froze rivers. Was no coke dealer, but I sold a couple O's. Really, no gimmick. I don't cap like they don't do embroidery. My bars are Frank Lucas and they gonna have you joining me. Connect them like it's joinery. What you do? I float on instrumentals. This is buoyancy. I'm never gonna stop.